Welcome to my new blog post. And today's blog post is basically related to the previous one, which is relationship of project, program, portfolio, and operations management. So let's start. So by looking at the project, program, and portfolio management with respect to organizational perspective, we have basically 2 points to make. First one is basically program and project management mostly focuses on doing programs and projects the right way as they should be. And with respect to portfolio management basically focuses on doing the right programs and projects. So, with respect to organizational project management, there are basically 7 dimensions through which we look into projects, programs, and portfolios. These 7 dimensions are basically the definition, scope, change, planning, management, monitoring, and success. So, let us discuss one by one with respect to these three paradigms, which are namely projects, programs, and portfolios. So with respect to project, first one is the definition, and basically project is a temporary adventure or endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. With respect to scope, projects have defined objectives. Scope is progressively elaborated throughout the various project life cycles, right? So with respect to change, project managers basically expect change and they implement processes to keep change more managed and in a more controlled form. With respect to planning, project managers basically progressively elaborate high level of information into more detailed plans throughout the project life cycle. With respect to management, managers basically manage the project teams to meet the project objectives. With respect to monitoring of the project managers basically monitor and control the work of producing the products, services, or results that the project was undertaken to produce. With respect to success, success is basically measured by a product and the project quality, timelines, budget, compliance, and degree of customer satisfaction. So these are the basic measurements of the success factors, right? So with respect to programs, let us discuss about the definition first. So basically, a program is a group of related projects and subsidiary of programs and programs activities that are managed in coordinated manner to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. So with respect to scope, basically projects have a scope that encompasses the scope of its program components. Basically, program produce benefits to an organization by ensuring that the output and the outcome of the program components are delivered in a more coordinated and complementary manner. With respect to change, programs are basically managed in a manner that accepts and adopts the change as necessary to optimize the delivery of the benefits as the program's components deliver outcomes and their respective outputs. With respect to planning, programs are managed using high-level plans that track the interdependencies and the progress of program components. Program plans are also used to guide planning at the component level. With respect to management, programs are managed by program managers who ensure that the program benefits are basically delivered as expected by coordinating the activities of various program components. With respect to monitoring, program managers monitor the progress of program components to ensure that the overall goals, schedules, budget, and benefits of the program will be met. With respect to success, when it comes to measuring the success of a program, basically program success is made by the program's ability to deliver its intended benefits to an organization and by the program's efficiency and effectiveness in delivering those benefits. So with respect to portfolio, when we are going to discuss the 7 dimension, first comes would be definition. So basically, a portfolio is a collection of projects, programs, subsidiary portfolios, and operations managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. Portfolios, so with respect to scope, portfolios have an organizational scope that changes with the strategic objectives of the organization. Portfolio managers basically managers continuously basically portfolio managers continuously monitor changes in the broader internal and external environments when it comes to change. With respect to planning, portfolio managers create, maintain necessary processes and communication relative to the aggregate portfolio. With respect to management, portfolio managers may manage or coordinate portfolio management staff, program, or project staff that may have reporting responsibilities into the aggregate portfolio. With respect to monitoring, portfolio managers monitor strategic changes and aggregate resources allocation, performance results, and risk of the portfolio. With respect to success, success is basically measured in terms of the aggregate investment for performance and the benefit realization of that certain